Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Samayal. Today let's make wafer rolls at home in simple way. Now you can easily make these crispy rolls at home just with 1 egg and maida. Let's know the recipe for making the wafer rolls. Let's make a wafer. Take a bowl, add 1 egg, 1/3 cup of oil, 1 cup sugar, adjust as per your taste, half cup of milk. Use the exact measurements of the ingredients for perfect result. Mix them well. Add 1 cup of maida. Mix it without any lumps. It takes a long time to mix it without any lumps. Once it is done, filter the batter. We have filtered the batter and our wafer batter is ready. The wafer batter should not be too thick or too thin. Grease the pan with oil. Once the pan is hot, pour the batter. Place a oiled paper or butter paper on the top and place a pan with water. After 3 to 4 minutes, remove the paper, flip it over, gently press it with a spatula and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Just roll it with a chopstick. Our wafers are ready. After 5 minutes, it becomes so crispy and tasty. Try this crispy wafer rolls at your home and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Your kids enjoy eating this recipe. It is very simple to make it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Stay tuned to Healthy Samayal for many more simple and healthy recipes.